Some of friends of mine were asking me, they are having a lot of problems with the speed of their laptop. So in this video I will tell you how to increase the speed of your laptop from 2 to 5 times with spending only 2000 rupees. But before that, let me show you the speed comparison between these two laptops. This laptop is 10-year-old and this laptop is only 2-year-old. Okay, so after that I will tell you how to increase the speed of your laptop. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, so let's have a speed test between these two laptops. But before we begin, let me tell you something about this laptop. This one is having Intel i3 7th generation processor inside it and is running on 4GB of DDR4 RAM. And this laptop is 2-year-old. This laptop is 10-year-old and is having Intel Pentium processor inside it and is running on 2GB of DDR3 RAM. Okay, so if you'll compare the configuration of these two laptops, this laptop is very old and is having a very slow processor. So let's have a restart speed between these two laptops and we'll see what is happening. Okay, I have not restarted yet. Okay, now I am restarting. So now we can clearly see that in spite of being 8 year older in comparison to the first laptop, the second laptop is having a incredibly high speed. Okay, this one is still rebooting. Okay, so we see this laptop took 1 to 1.5 minutes more time to get rebooted in comparison to the second one. So I'll try to make things as simple as possible so that you can understand what I am talking about. So here we have two types of drive. This one is SSD hard disk drive and this one is SSD solid state drive. The main difference between these two drives is the processing power of this SSD is slower in comparison to this SSD. Okay, and the price of this SSD is cheaper in comparison to this SSD, but we don't have to buy 1TB or 500GB of SSD because we don't have to store our data in this SSD. We have to only install our important softwares and operating system in this SSD so that our processing power or processing speed of our laptop will be increased. Okay, so nowadays the laptops are coming with a dedicated slot for SSD where you can install this M.2 SSD card. Okay, so after that the speed of your laptop will be enhanced. But those laptops those are very old. Okay, like 5 or 6 year older laptop, they are not having a dedicated slot for SSD. So for that you cannot install a M.2 SSD in those laptops. So in those case you have to purchase a SATA SSD, okay, SATA SSD, and you have to remove your hard disk SSD or you have to remove your CD drive, and in that place you can install this SATA SSD like I did in that Intel Pentium laptop that I have shown you in the video. Okay, so now I'll tell you the price of this SSD. So this is a M.2 SSD, okay, and this is a 120GB variant, and the price of this SSD card is 1750 rupees. Okay, and this is a SATA type of SSD. Okay, and this is a 240GB variant. 240GB variant, and the price of this SSD is 2400 rupees. Okay, so after purchasing this SSD card, you can install it in your laptop or in your PC also. You can install SSD card in your PC. Okay, so you can install it by watching some tutorial from YouTube, or otherwise you have to take it to a laptop service center and you can install it there. I hope you found this video informative. If you liked the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when I will put new videos to this channel. So till then, goodbye and God bless you all.